Ever wish you could just vanish into thin air in Minecraft, becoming a ghost in the blocky world? Today, we're brewing up a magical invisibility potion. First, you'll need a brewing stand. Place your crafting table and arrange blaze rods in the middle row and cobblestone on the bottom 3 squares. Now, let's gather ingredients. You'll need a water bottle, a nether wart, a golden carrot, and a fermented spider eye. Water bottles can be crafted from glass and filled at any water source. Nether wart can be found growing in nether fortresses. Golden carrots are crafted with carrots surrounded by gold nuggets. Fermented spider eyes are crafted with a spider eye, sugar, and a brown mushroom. Place your water bottle in one of the 3 bottom slots of the brewing stand. It doesn't matter which one. Next, put the nether wart in the top slot. This will brew an awkward potion. Wait for the brewing process to complete. Now, place your golden carrot in the top slot, replacing the nether wart. This will create a potion of night vision. Again, wait for the brewing to finish. Finally, add the fermented spider eye to the top slot. This corrupts the potion of night vision, turning it into our invisibility potion. Patiently wait for the final brewing process to wrap up. And there you have it. Drink the potion, and watch as you become nearly invisible. Remember, your armor will still be visible, so take it off for maximum stealth. Now you're ready to sneak past mobs, prank your friends, and become a master of disguise. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft potion tutorials. Happy brewing!